Most people know Growing Exposed for our garden tours. But the truth is, this series has always been about pulling back the curtain on every part of the cannabis cultivation industry. And today, we're exploring something we've never shown before. An invisible ecosystem that most growers never get to see. The hydroponic supply chain, beginning with manufacturing. This episode follows the journey through distribution, ending at the hydroponic retail store. Mark Harding has been at the forefront of this for more than 3 decades. And as he shows us, this isn't just mixing nutrients in a garage. Facilities like this operate under strict international standards, designed to control every step of production and the whole supply chain. But the journey doesn't stop there. Later, I'll travel across the country, eventually landing in Tasmania, where I'll introduce you to Jack from the Grow Guys. And while this episode takes place here in Australia, the path these products follow is nearly exactly the same whether you're in North America, Europe, or anywhere else in the world. From the bottling lines, to the warehouse, to the hydro shop counter. It's time for Growing Exposed.